Hello everyone, this is our prefab house T3. Today I will introduce it for you. The size is 3.3 meters wide and 8 meters long and 3.2 meters high. The total area is 26.4 square meters. It includes one bedroom, one bathroom, and an outdoor terrace. The whole house will be lifted for transportation. The free system of the T3 is made of the seismic steel structure, and the exterior wall is fluorocarbon-painted custom aviation aluminum panel, which are corrosion-resistant, easy to clean and maintain, and more than 15 years of service life. 100 mm thick insulation security door with a waterproof smart lock. You can open the door by password, fingerprint, or swiping card. It's very safe. Here is the bathroom with the wet and dry separation. Customizable sink with faucet and smart beauty mirror. It has smart toilet, instant hot shower area with HVAC lighting system. The plumbing is pre-plumbed and ready to go. Equipped with the central AC, we can also customize in-floor heating for you. In addition, it with the whole house smart control system, and the room is spacious, can put a 2-meter bed. The floor with the cement backfill reinforced and laying solid wood composite flooring. All the lights are done at the factory. 小爱同学，请开灯。Here is the L-shaped wave windows, and it used the double-layer tempered alloy glass, and installed the electric signet sunshade. The walls are filled with 100 mm polyurethane foam with highly insulating and soundproofing. All the window and door is used the high-quality aluminum. The terrace features 23 mm plastic wood floors, which are beautiful and practical. You can sit here and enjoy the views.